We are at Race for Life today at Lydiard Park in Swindon.
Nearly 3,000 people in front of the stage right now, raring to go.
It is just a sea of pink Deanie boppers and tutus. Just a real sense of excitement.
We're Sue Dodds and Mandy Atkinson from Devices. We're running today in memory of our friend Di Druitt that we lost last year.
Our very dear friend Lillian, one of the loveliest people you could meet. She passed away just a year ago now.
I just recently battled Hodgkin's lymphoma, which I'm all clear now, and I don't know, I just feel so lucky really to have another chance.
It's a sad event really, but this day is just to celebrate those people who have survived it and all the work that's being done to help those who are fighting it as well. We will be running across the line. We do every year. No, we will be. Every year, get to the end. It's just amazing, just to think that we've done a little bit that might help people.
We ran all the way, we didn't stop once, did we?
No,
we're very proud.
It's a sea of passion really, isn't it? Everyone is so passionate about what they're doing it for.
And everyone's having a good time!